नमस्कार. नवी वर्सांतल्या ह्या पहिल्या डिबेटाक तुमकां सगळ्याक येवकार आनी विशय आमी तसोच हाडला. तो म्हळ्यार नवी वर्सा भितर नवो मुख्यमंत्री आसा, पण पन्नी इश्यू आनी पन्नी कॅबिनेट अशी सरकाराची परिस्थिती आसा. आनी ओपोजिशना भितर खंय खंय नवे चेहरे येवपा लागल्यात, पण अजून पर्यंत जी जिद्द दिसपा जाय ती पन्नीच. अशी परिस्थिती भितर ओपोजिशनूय नवी वर्सां भितर येता. कितें जातलें, चॅलेंजीस कितें सरकारा मुखाल्ल्यो आनी ओपोजिशना मुखाल्ल्यो, आनी तातूंतल्यान गोंयकाराक निमणें कितें मेळटलें ह्या 2015 भितर हाचेर आमी भासाभास करतात. 4 जाण मानेस्त आसा म्हजे बरोबर. पयले आसात ते भाजपाचे फुडारी आनी आमदार सुभाषबाब फळदेसाय. स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसात जे नवे चेहरे हांव म्हणटालो ते काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी आनी स्पोक्सपर्सन, आनीक आतां हांव तांकां एक्टिविस्ट म्हणना, ते आतां एक्टिविस्ट हो पयलींचो इतिहास जालो. यतीश बाब नायक स्वागत. तिसरे आसात म्हणजे अजूनय जे एक्टिविस्ट आसात, जे मदीं मातशे राजकारणी जातात, आनी दोतोर गोंयचे नामनेचे ऑस्कर बाब रिवेलो. स्वागत. आनी चवथी आसात, म्हाका दिसता ह्या डिबेटा भितर बिनधास्त सामके उलोवपाक शकतात ते अपक्ष आमदार विजयबाब सरदेसाय. हांव सुरवात दोतोर तुजेवेल्यान करता, कारण बाकी तिगी जाण राजकारणी न्ही. कितें चॅलेंजीस, 3 चॅलेंजीस अश्यो मेजर इन लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकारा मुखाल्ल्यो आनी काँग्रेसी मुखाल्ल्यो ह्या 2015 भितर तांकां जाग्यार घालच्यो पडटल्यो. कारण 2016 एकदां 2015 सोंपलें की इलेक्शनाक हार्डली 1 वर्स उरतलें. 1 वर्स 2 ते 3 म्हयने उरतले. सो दॅट वील बी प्रॅक्टिकली एन इलेक्शन इयर. सो वॉट एवर यू नीड टू डू नाव एंड इन दीस इयर. हाऊ आर यू लुकिंग एट इट?
See, I think where our mistake is, Pramod, where we constantly keep making this mistake over the last decade and a half, that this whole impact of globalization has hit Goa in such a big way, and from where we are reeling from the shock, is we keep on consistently harping that it's challenges before Digambar Kamath, challenges before Manohar Parrikar, challenges before Lakshmikant Parsekar. I think this whole individual-centric thing is where we go wrong. It is about challenges to the Goan society and how Goan society is going to respond to this particular challenge. And that's where we have failed. And in one line, because I don't want to go into the whole circus again and again, speaking elaborately, but in one line, the challenge for Goan society, Goan politicians, Goan activists, environmentalists, is to simply go back to the basics. This is where we are failing. We are just not addressing basic issues about Goa. Basic issues like land, basic issues like garbage, for instance. Basic issues like corruption, basic issues like law and order. These are so fundamental. The Congress failed in its 5 years. They were booted out. The BJP came back on its promise, came back on the promise to solve these issues, and they have been building bridges and skyways into heaven and into, and taking us into hell with all the other issues that they are constantly used to articulating. And they have kept on forgetting these basic issues, and that is the reason why people are so agitated continuously in the state. In the Congress time, of course, people used to be out in the streets because in Congress, democracy runs riot, as it were. And in the BJP time, they don't come out in the streets so often. And that is again the challenge to the Congress, or to perhaps all the opposition parties, except of course this gentleman to my left, where silence is sort of enforced in many ways, or silence is bought out in many ways, and it looks like that there is no opposition on the ground. But there is certainly opposition and resentment in the voter. And how you're going to handle that as a political party or as a party in government and in power, that is very, very tricky. Because you're not going to be able to silence the voter eventually when it comes to the polls. So to me, it is about going back to the basics, and every political party, including mine, perhaps.
3 challenges, एक तुझे स्वतःची पक्षा मुखार आणि 3 challenges मुख्यमंत्री आणि एक सरकार पक्षावर.
See, let me be honest. The new PCC president who has come in has clearly said that party has to bring in a new approach. He has said party has to bring in young blood. He has said we have made some mistakes. We should ensure that those mistakes don't happen. So I think the PCC president has put these things in the correct perspective. Now coming to what are the challenges before the government. Sade, simple. Regional plan issue, वो issue अजून जिवंत आसा. 20 मार्च 2012 गव्हर्नर शंकर नारायणान एक स्पीच केल्ली हावजान, wherein he said that his government will denotify the regional plan and formulate a new one in due consultation with all stakeholders. His speech. This speech has been voted by the House. Once it is voted, it becomes government's policy decision. हांव तुका सांगता विजय बाबान स्पिकराक हावसान सांगिल्लें 24 जुलय 2014 हांव एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट वाचता. स्पीकर सर जेन्ना सो एन सो तुवें सांगिल्लें डिनोटिफाय करतलो म्हणून. At which Honorable then Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had said, I have not denied that. He had said it. आता अशें आसतना he has to go by what policy he has laid before the house and voted before the house. That is not happening. ते आता कितें भलतेच कितें उलोवंक लागल्या. 15 पंचायतींनी ऑब्जेक्ट केल्ले आनी कितें मॅनिफेस्टो काडी जाल्यार तुका आनीकूय कितें कितें घडलें ताणें कितें फालियारपणां केल्या ती. Second is special status. Special status is an issue which has to be looked into two ways. One, there are several measures which the Goa government can do, which they are not doing. And secondly, they have to pursue under 371. 371 acher, tani Modi jenna anga illo, that time Modi himself said, ashe proposals are aile, I will be happy to consider it. Thereafter, Shantaram Naik raised that question in the house, in the parliament. Rijiju, who is the Union Minister of State, said no such proposal. The delegation and all those things I don't understand. Like delegation दुसरो मनीस जेन्ना आयकना तेन्ना delegation असता. तुजोच जेन्ना प्रायम मिनिस्टर असता तेन्ना delegationाचो अर्थ कितें तो म्हाका खबर ना. But anyway, so special status they have to give. There is no excuse. Third is finances of the state. Finances of the state have gone to the lowest possible level, which is coming everywhere. Your channel is also showing it in different ways. So finance of the state has to be put right, which is a big challenge.
Okay.
And आणि एक fourth which is infrastructure. मडगांवचे हॉस्पिटल बांदपाक हांचे कडेन 40 कोटी ना, पूण हो तो दोनापावलाचो कॉन्क्रिटायझेशन करपाक 200 कोटी आहा. So infrastructure prioritization
misplaced priorities.
Misplaced priorities and failed priorities.
Okay. विजय कितें तीन इश्यूज, 3 ओपोजिशना मुखारले, 3 रुलिंगा मुखारले.
एक म्हणल्यार 3 इश्यूनी हें काबार जायना.
हय.
म्हाका दिसता
तुझे खूब आसतले.
ना सरकार
टाइम कमी आसा.
I will just take it from where Oscar has started. He said that it is not about individuals and we have to go back to the basics. आता चायनाचो Deng Xiaoping जो आहलो तो म्हणटालो की it doesn't matter whether the cat is black or the cat is white as far as it catches the mice. So we have to focus on outcomes. If we look at outcomes and we look at the performance of the government, we see there are no achievement on promises made. In 2015, however, एक बरी वस्त जाल्या म्हणटी BJP आता सत्य उलोवंक लागल्या. पहिले 3 दिसांनीच तांणी सांगलें की स्पेशल स्टेटस म्हणटा जावचो ना. पेट्रोलाचेर वॅट देंवयलें ती आमची चूक जाली, वीच वॉज अ मॅनिफेस्टो, इलेक्शन मॅनिफेस्टो. तिसऱ्या दिसा तांणी सांगलें की काझिनो म्हणटा केन्नाच मांडवींतले भायर वचूंक शकना आनी काझिनोची इंडस्ट्रीची स्टेबिलिटी ही सरकाराची प्रायोरिटी. ह्या 3 तांणी क्लियर केलें आनी आज इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर सांगता की 50,000 जॉब्स म्हणटे करूंक जावचे ना.
सरकार खरी उलयता म्हण तूं खुश
एक बरें आमी वी वूड हॅव टू फोर्स देम टू एडमिट. नाव दे आर एडमिटिंग ऑन देयर ओन. This is one good thing. Now let us go to their challenge. I think their first challenge will be to find and announce new dates in lieu of the dates which were left by Parrikar. कित्याक पर्रीकार ज्यो तारख्यो दितालो ताका तारखेश्वर बाबा म्हणून नांव पडिल्लें. आतां ते तारख्यांचे येवजी नव्यो तारख्यो सोदच्यो आनी तारख्यो अनाउन्स करच्यो ही तांची पयली चॅलेंज जाता. दुसरी चॅलेंज म्हणल्यार कितें की एक आतां पार्सेकारान म्हणल्यार आपल्याक 1000 कोटी तरी दियात. सो तो आतां भीक मागपाक लागला. ही भीक मागपाक एक नवो स्लोगन कितें तरी घेवप. यू विल हॅव टू कॉइन अ न्यू स्लोगन फॉर बॅगिंग बाउल. This is the challenge number 2. Third challenge म्हणटी अशी की तांणी आतां टुरिजम सगळें न्हिदयलां. आतां टुरिजम न्हिदयतकर एक प्रश्न येता की जंकेट्स कित्याक केली आनी जाल्यार टुरिजम फेल कशें जालें. सो आतां एक नवें कितें तरी येवजण तयार करप. ही नवी येवजण will have to be a new way to siphon off money. That is now called the investor summits on lines of vibrant Gujarat. This is the third challenge. How to now गोंयकारांच्या कानान कशें घालप. चौथे म्हणल्यार आतां ताणें टुरिजम मिनिस्टरान एक क्लियर सांगिल्लें आहा की इरेडिकेटिंग नॅर्कोटिक्स इन गोवा इज इम्पॉसिबल म्हणून. सो आतां ताणें एक ही हॅज ब्रॉट अबाउट अ न्यू चॅलेंज टू द गव्हर्मेंट इज टू रिडिफायन द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ झिरो टॉलरन्स टू करप्शन. मागीर 5वी चॅलेंज म्हणटी म्हाका दिसता की हे जे तांचो परिवार आहा आनी तांची ती खूब ऑर्गनायजेशन आहा ताका एक लोकांक आमच्या गोंयकारांक दाखोवप की आमी तांची एक लगाम घाल्या अशी पूण एट द सेम टायम भितरल्यान तांकां एनकरेज करप. आतां यतीशान बरेंच पयलीं स्टार्ट केलें की आपले प्रेसिडेंटान हें सांगलां तें सांगलां तें सांगलां म्हणून. पूण चॅलेंज खंयचे आपल्या पार्टीक खंयच्यो आहा त्यो सांगूंकूच ना. सो म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेसीची व्हडल्यांतली व्हडली चॅलेंज, एकमेव चॅलेंज म्हणटा ती इज टू एडमीट रियलिटी that they don't think that there is a challenge to them. They feel that the stars will change. Contrary astrologer will forecast and then the power will come back to them, which will not happen.
The thing will happen by default for
You
Congress.
need a street fighting opposition. हे street fighting करपाक जे air condition संवय जाल्या ते रस्त्यार येवपाची कापाजत आहा काय ना हे एक चिंतन करपाची गरज आहा.
Subhash Bab, I think your first challenge is defending all these challenges. How would you respond? I want to
No,
how
not
would
only
you
the
respond?
defending all the challenges, but right from the beginning, when the day we took over the government, how many challenges were there, and everybody was anxiously waiting for that. And to the extent the Lok Sabha results have shown how people have turned again with the BJP, it's because of its performance, not
Of the
anything
state
else.
government?
Yes.
Of the state government?
Of the state government, of course. Because Vijay Bab also
तुम्ही
initially
म्हणता की
said
तुम्ही-
that Modi.
तुम्ही म्हणता तुम्ही मिड टर्म एक्झाम पास केल्या.
Exactly, we say that because we have, it is on our this thing performance. बाकीच्यो त्या वेळावेल्यो ज्यो गजाली आशिल्ल्यो त्या वेळावेल्यो ज्यो चॅलेंजीस आशिल्ल्यो त्यो पयलीं म्हणजे जर जायत PWDच्या खात्यान कितलीशीच बिलांक 1000 कोटी म्हणजे ओवर 500 crores ते सोडून गेल्ले जायनासतना. इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचे हे नाशिल्ले आमचे ऑलमोस्ट कट जावपाच्या वेळार पावल्ले ग्रिडा कडच्यान घेता आसतना. All these challenges to meet these challenges, we had a lot of revenue generation had to be taken place.
तुमकां परत सिच्युएशन नॉर्मल करपाकच 2.5 वर्स गेली.
ज्या वेळार आमी see when we had put our agenda, when manifesto आमच्या लोकां मुखार दवरला त्या वेळार we had some amount of mining revenue to be collected, but that has not happened. Mining ताजे फाटल्यान बंद जालें. But despite of all this, we could manage to implement our manifesto. आणि आमच्या मॅनिफेस्टोक ज्यो प्रमुख 4-5 गोष्टी आशिल्ल्यो त्यो भिनासतना केल्यो आणि तातूंतल्यान रेव्हेन्यू जनरेटय जालो. पीपल मस्ट हॅव नॉट रियलायज फ्रॉम वेर इट हॅज कम. पण माननीय त्या वेळेच्या मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकरान आपल्या फायनान्शियल एबिलिटीच्या नुसार ज्या ज्या जाग्या वेल्यान लोकांक चिमट काडनासतना केन्नाय कांयच करिनासतना
आता पर्रीकार ना आता कशें
पर्रीकार ना जाले जाल्यार पळय आमी कितें आसता कोणाचे तरी आशीर्वाद असतात. पर्रीकर ना जाले जाल्यार
वीकेंड गव्हर्नमेंट.
नो इट इज नॉट अ वीकेंड
गव्हर्नमेंट.
सी महाभारता भितर श्रीकृष्णाचो रोल काय नाशिल्लो, ताणें शस्त्र घेतले ना, पण कांय आयडियाज ताणें दिल्यो तातूंतल्यान पांडव.
So your Arjun has become Sri Krishna now. That is how you are describing it.
No, but always we will seek advice from it because he is the wisest person. It's because of that, because of his performance in the government and because of his intelligence, he has been taken for the highest post at Delhi. So we are proud of it. But always we seek whatever guidance from him. And अशें काय ना तो he is not dealing from Goa and he is not ruling the Goa. But as and when this government needs his help, his advice, we always seek his advice.
Okay. दादा एक गजाल मान्य करतात की same लोकसभा election was kind of a mid-term exam for this government. They have passed it, and Subhash Bab is saying ki we have passed the mid-term exam. Now give us time to perform. Don't be judgmental.
No. See, the midterm poll or the Lok Sabha poll was clearly a Modi wave. There was no doubt about it, but many of us did not read at that point of time. But then the election results showed you that the Modi wave was an enormous tsunami. There's no doubt about the fact that there was a wave. And the BJP in Goa rode that wave. There's no doubt about it. In South Goa, for instance, the Congress or whatever, the Reginald's performance was pretty impressive despite the wave. And you must not forget that the Congress is always such a divided house. And God alone knows how many Congress people were in the BJP lap at the time of the Lok Sabha.
So you are not looking at Lok Sabha result as a
no, definitely not. As a referendum on the local government, definitely not.
On the local government.
Pramod, I think that is where we make a mistake. The whole thing is winning an election, we look at it as if it's a referendum on the performance of what has happened and as far as the issues of Goa is concerned. And for this, I blame both the Congress as well as the BJP. Because during the 5 years of the Congress rule, when people were out on the streets screaming for things to happen, mining, illegal mining and corruption and nepotism and the PWD scams and all kind of scams just continued it. So today, the same Congress fellows are coming and saying, oh, the BJP is doing that. What were you doing during the 5 years of your government?